What is going on with your YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. We're going to look at the best case I've used for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Before we do that, if you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Helps the channel grow. One more line of business. I need you to leave a comment. Let me know what case you're using for your Galaxy S10 Plus or S10 or S10e. All right, so I've used over 10 cases. I just got a bunch of cases. You could see all those on my channel. I'll leave the links in the description. Also, I'll leave the links if you want to look at how much they cost and where to purchase them. That'll be in the description as well. So, you know what? It took me a while to realize that the best case might not necessarily be my favorite case. So for a while, I said, you know what, this Galaxy Samsung silicone cover is the best case because it just fits the phone so tight. But then I realized 99% of people that are looking for a case are looking for a lot more protection than this. So I'm in the 1% that, you know, protection isn't my number one. So I said, okay, I can't make this the best case for the S10 Plus. It just doesn't provide enough protection for most people. All right. Then I said, okay, without doubt, my favorite case is the Incipio NGP. This is my favorite case, man. I've gotten the most compliments when I've used this case. I like how it looks the most. This is by far my favorite case for the S10 Plus, but then had to step outside, look at another point of view. It's a clear case, man. A lot of people don't like clear cases. If you have a black phone, it doesn't look as good. I used to think I didn't like clear cases because I've always had a black phone. It took me getting a white phone to realize that it's not the clear case, it's just the combo. But on a white phone, it looks great, but some people just don't want a clear case on their phone. So it was really going to be really hard for me to make my favorite case the best case, the one I recommend to most people. Then we get to the Spigen Tough Armor. This is number one. This takes the cake. My opinion, this is the case I suggest. This is the best case for the S10 Plus. I know in my original review I said it's one piece, but it's actually not. It's two pieces. It's like a TPU style case with a hard plastic shell. Let's see if I can do this without breaking it, because that would be tragic. Two pieces. Now, there's probably people who have this case and don't know it breaks apart like this, and there's really no reason to ever break it apart like this. But two-piece case, TPU, and a hard shell, and yeah, man, this, I know it's thrown around in the tech world all the time about something checking all the boxes, but this case checks all the boxes. It offers a lot of protection. It's a sleek case, doesn't add too much bulk. It doesn't make it like a heavy duty case, and it just looks good. This matte black is good. It comes in different colors, and to top it off, it has one of the intangibles. It has a kickstand, and you know, most cases you're gonna get doesn't have that kickstand, albeit it's not, you know, the best kickstand. I wouldn't suggest using it a whole lot, but it does have it. So it just beat everything out. This is honorable mention. The Parallax, I don't have this in the house. I gave it to somebody. It's close, but you know, some people are not gonna like the design. I kind of didn't dig the design so much. Parallax, honorable mention, it's like maybe 1A and 1B, but to me, the Tough Armor all around was the best case. I really like how it looks. I just really can't knock the case in any way. Now, that's the first 10. You know, maybe I'll review another 10 and my opinion will change, but it's gonna take a lot to beat this Spigen Tough Armor. All right, best case, Spigen Tough Armor. Get active in the comments. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.